Yeah, me and Aaron get along really well. We've always been friends, you know, even away from the track, and it's pretty cool to have a teammate that I really bond with well. I think our personalities suit each other and our riding styles.
He can really help me out and point me in the right direction and steer me away from the bad things and steer me into the good things. KMC is awesome. I mean, you get all the wheels you want, and they look amazing.
Yeah, having a brand like KMC as a partner is very unique. You know, we get to deck out our trucks, and you know, it gives that cool look that we're going for at the track.